In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an appointment on Vagaro. Whether you're managing a busy schedule for your business or need to adjust a personal appointment, Vagaro makes this process smooth and straightforward. Let's dive in and guide you through each step to make sure your calendar mirrors your availability accurately. First things first, start by navigating to the Vagaro website. It's essential to access the platform where all your booking needs can be managed efficiently in one place. Once you're there, you'll notice various options and features designed to make your experience seamless. But for now, let's focus on the task at hand. After arriving at the Vagaro homepage, you're going to look for the Login button, which should be located in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will begin the login process, directing you towards entering your credentials. However, Vagaro offers a more streamlined method to access your account using your existing Google account. So let's expedite the login process. Instead of entering your Vagaro username and password, click on the Login with Google option. This choice not only saves time, but also leverages the security measures you already have with your Google account. Selecting this option will prompt you to choose which Google account you wish to use. If you're logged into multiple Google accounts, ensure you select the one associated with your Vagaro profile. Once you've successfully logged in using your preferred Google account, it's time to move to the heart of today's tutorial. Look for the option or button that says Go to My Business. This is where the magic happens. By selecting this, you navigate to the back end of your Vagaro account where appointments, client information and more are accessible. It's the control room for managing your bookings and schedule. Now, to access your calendar, which is where all your scheduled appointments are displayed, you might see a direct link saying Go to Calendar with a URL listed beneath it. Clicking on this link will take you straight to your Vagaro calendar. This is where you'll see all your upcoming appointments laid out in an easy to view format. The calendar is the tool that will enable us to make adjustments to the existing appointments. Once you're in your calendar, it's time to locate the appointment you need to change. Vagaro simplifies this process with a drag and drop feature. Yes, it's as easy as it sounds. Click on the appointment you wish to reschedule and drag it to the new time slot or date that better fits your schedule. This intuitive feature saves time and eliminates the need for multiple steps to achieve the same outcome. After dragging your appointment to its new slot, a final step is required to secure this change. Clicking Confirm. This action is pivotal as it finalizes the adjustment, ensuring your schedule is updated accurately both for you and your client. A missed confirmation could mean a missed appointment, so make sure to complete this step. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to changing an appointment on Vagaro. This platform's design revolves around making schedule management as painless as possible. So whether you're juggling multiple client bookings or looking to adjust a personal appointment, remember flexibility is just a few clicks away. Embrace the convenience and take control of your schedule without the fuss. Before we wrap up, a couple of additional tips. Regularly updating and reviewing your Vagaro calendar not only helps in managing your time efficiently, but also in delivering a better service experience for your clients. Also, utilizing the Login with Google feature is a small but impactful way to enhance account security and simplify your login process. Thank you for walking through this tutorial with me. I hope this video has armed you with the knowledge to adjust appointments on Vagaro with confidence. Whether it's smoothing out your business operations or keeping your personal schedule flexible, mastering this tool can make all the difference. Happy scheduling!